If you haven't subscribed already, ring that bell to get notified when new movies are posted. Chris Young here from Homekit Geek. It is October 15th, and this is a week of unscheduled updates. We had the Amazon releases earlier this week. We've also got Aqara updates, and judging by the number of views, you guys are as excited about this as I am. So what we got earlier this week is an Aqara update for the HomeKit app and the firmware of the gateway itself, and I am pleased to announce that the Xiaomi and Misha, however you pronounce that, accessories are now working with Apple HomeKit. They are now exposed. So the Aqara solution, which I will put a link to the video that I published on that already, although by the look of things, many of you have already seen it. Thank you for that. It is a really great solution. The only thing it seems to be missing is lights, which we've got a lot of choices in that already. There are temp sensors, plugs. We've got all the above, and now we can take advantage of some of the previous accessories that were out in the market, like the Mi and the Xiaomi sensors. So shown in the image here, you can kind of see the button has that image of, kind of reminds me of a cat. I'm not sure what the logo is, but those previously, in the previous update, you could use them for automations, but they would not be exposed to HomeKit. As of this update though, things have changed. Let's check it out. So here we are in the Aqara app. I'm still hoping we get a landscape mode. Right now we're still stuck at portrait, even on the iPad. But it is I like the look and the feel of the app. I've already told you guys that. What we really want to focus on here, though, is showing you that the Xiaomi and Mi are now exposed as full devices. You can see them, which you couldn't in the previous update. And again, we're only talking a couple of weeks here. So it's really impressive to see how Aqara is taking this serious. So I know the motion sensor was originally a Mi sensor. I had that with my Misha or Miha, whatever we pronounce that word, hub. And I've now paired this with my Aqara hub. It worked great. I could use it in automations within the hub before, but I couldn't see it in HomeKit. That has changed now. As well, I've got the temperature humidity sensor, so at least a couple of these I have been able to verify. I'm sure some of you will be asking what version of firmware is this supported on, so let's go take a look at that real quick. Let's go into the hub. Okay, there we go. Let's scroll down to the bottom here and see the firmware version. And I am running firmware version 1.2.32, and it is currently up to date. So again, that's the firmware that, as of the time of this recording, we're able to see all those devices, the Xiaomi and the Mi devices. We can also, of course, go into the Apple HomeKit. Now, one thing I do want to point out is works does not necessarily mean supported. So if you go to the Aqara.com website, they still don't claim support for any of the other manufacturers' accessories. So that's one thing to be aware of here, is we're in a little bit of gray waters, if you know what I mean. It is exposed. It is working. We can see them, which is awesome. Hopefully it'll stay that way for the future. Just wanted to give you guys a little bit of update because it seems you're excited, as I am, about the Aqara coming to market within North America. If you guys have any questions or comments, or if you're seeing something that I haven't shown here yet, you've got other legacy accessories that you've been able to pair this, please put those in the comments below. I'd love to collect more of this information. I will also put in a link over to the HomeKit News website, where my friend Simon, he's keeping a list of all the 101 on this thing, as there's a lot of excitement around this. So definitely check that link below. Questions, comments, you know what to do. Likes are always appreciated. Subscribe if you haven't, ring that bell, get notified as new videos come out. And if you want to learn how to make your house just a little bit smarter using Apple HomeKit, do me a favor, check in the video details below. There is a coupon code in there where you'll be getting the discount. Thanks.